If you're gonna drive an older car, you're gonna have issues. Working on my IS300 again. I just did an alternator in this like a few months ago actually, and I got a battery light on, so we're doing some tests to see if it's the alternator or something else. So for starts, I'm just gonna make sure this battery's good. I'm pretty sure it is, but use my tester. Oh, it says the battery is bad. It's at 87%. So it's saying we're having a bad battery. I'm still skeptical that the alternator's not charging enough. So I'm also gonna do an alternator test so we can do everything at once if needed. The way I always do an alternator test, it's never let me down yet, is I get my multimeter, put it on voltage, connect it to the terminals. It's showing 12.63 volts. Got that going. And then I'm gonna turn the car on, get the alternator going, and we're gonna see what kind of voltage it's putting out. Got the car running, and we're just gonna watch this. It looks like the alternator is not putting out what I want it to. With an alternator, while the engine's running, you wanna see voltage anywhere from 13.5, 14, kind of in that range. If you're seeing anything less than 13, the alternator's probably not working the way it's supposed to. Luckily, this has a lifetime warranty on the alternator, so shouldn't be a huge deal to replace. But we can see our voltage is dropping. And you can see the battery light is on in the dash, and it's showing about 11, 12 volts on the meter as well. Anyways, that's how I do alternator test, battery test. Looks like I need to get both. Let me know how you guys do it, if there's another way. I know they have the scan tools where you can raise the voltage, the RPM up to 25, and that does work too. But every time I've done it this way, replace the alternator if it was bad, never had an issue. But let me know how you guys test them.